the breadth of Amendment 86, which covers effectively all offences, and all offences should not just be monitored, but should be publicly reported. So data recorded to be published and laid before Parliament, I suggest, is significantly dangerous. It could encourage populism, and in that, I'm afraid, I disagree with the noble Lady Baroness Fox, who supported that conditional sunset clause.
My Lords, obviously anything to discourage populism, I appreciate that's a popular call in this House for some people. Anyway, could I just ask the noble Lord what the danger is, apart from encouraging populism? Because I think when I put my name to that amendment, even though I didn't in the end speak on it, that actually some of the controversies around sentencing about crime and law and order and prison and so on have been a failure to provide information. The noble Lord himself has mentioned the grooming gangs, but I think the more information there is, the better. What could there be to be frightened of? It's not, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to draw a conclusion that, or one doesn't have to draw the conclusion that any negative things will come from having more information. And I think as it's been hidden for so long, these kind of details, that actually having them made available for the British public so that they can make their own decisions is something we should trust the British public with. I know the noble Lord is keen that we trust probation officers. I'm also keen that we should trust the public.
My Lord, I'm also keen that we should, generally speaking, trust the public. But 86 requires all offenders convicted and sentenced in the Crown Court and Magistrates' Courts to have their country of birth, their nationality, their ethnicity, their immigration status, and the offences for which they were sentenced, to be recorded and published and laid before Parliament. That, I suggest, can encourage the drawing of entirely the wrong conclusions by the British public. Yes, of course.
I seem to recollect